Strength meets simplicity. Star-sealed bottom trash bags from Haplast. Star-sealed base eliminates weak points and prevents leakage. Unlike flat-sealed bags, our Star Seal ensures complete protection, ideal for high-volume waste in offices, restaurants, and hospitals. Extra strength for wet or heavy loads, built to perform. Precision sealed with automation for consistent quality. Available in various sizes and thicknesses, customized to your needs. Certified to meet international quality and hygiene standards. Produced in large volumes, ready to ship worldwide. We produce thousands of tons per month to serve global demand. We offer flexible pricing tailored to your shipping terms. From quote to delivery, Haplast service stands out.
It's summer here, it's about 34 degrees today, so it's really hot and dry.
Well packed for export, moisture-free and professionally wrapped. Your brand, your bag, customized private label service. Upgrade your waste system. Choose Haplast Star-Sealed trash bags.